Imagine a world where each no could unlock hours of productivity and peace of mind. Enter the realm of The Art of Saying No by Damon Zahariades, a transformative guide that revolutionizes how you prioritize your life, making room for growth, happiness, and unparalleled efficiency. Why do we find ourselves ensnared in a cycle of yes? From our earliest days, we're taught to please, a pattern ingrained deep into our adult lives, leading to stress, burnout, and lost personal moments. The Art of Saying No tells us how our eagerness to please has long-term consequences on our well-being and productivity. Zahariades enlightens us that declining isn't selfish but a vital step towards self-care. It's about refocusing on our core values, offering our talents where they truly shine, energizing our lives with purposeful choices. His book underlines how saying no can be a gateway to a focused and vibrant existence. Dive into assertive refusal with Zahariades' strategies. Whether it's a categorical no, anchoring in commitments, or a counterproposal, these tools safeguard your time. See these strategies in real-life scenarios, offering a blueprint to guard your priorities. Witness the strategies in action across professions, from executives to artists. See how the art of saying no transcends industries, offering a universal solution to a ubiquitous challenge. A well-placed no can fortify relationships, earning respect and appreciation. Discover how setting boundaries leads to deeper connections, valuing everyone's time and contributions. Observe the ripple effect as one empowered no inspires community-wide assertiveness. Witness a cultural transformation, promoting mutual respect and honoring personal priorities. Embrace the transformative power of no, witnessing its impact on well-being and productivity. Discover how this simple word can usher in personal fulfillment and collective efficiency. Key takeaway 1. No boosts meaningful contributions, unlocking creativity and effectiveness. Key takeaway 2. Asserting priorities enriches your life and relationships, fostering shared growth and respect. Dive into The Art of Saying No to unlock a balanced, productive, fulfilling existence. It's about empowering yourself to embrace what truly matters, leading to a life rich in accomplishment and serenity.